The federal government has expressed deep concern over the ongoing situation where the Nigerian national football team, popularly known as the Super Eagles, were left stranded in Libya. NaijaNews reports that the Super Eagles flew to Libya on Sunday, October 13th, in preparation for the 2025 African Cup of Nations qualifier against the Mediterranean night at 8 p.m. on Tuesday, October 15th. After landing at the Al-Barak airport in Libya, the Super Eagles were left stranded for over 13 hours without any assistance from the host Libyan Football Federation. The captain of the national team, William Troost Ekong, had also taken to his Instagram story to lament over the ill treatment and announced that the Super Eagles have resolved not to honor the game. A statement from the Nigerian Football Association has confirmed that the football body is making arrangements to fly the Super Eagles back to Nigeria, which means that there is little or no chance of honoring Tuesday's feature. Al-Qasim Abdulkadri, the Media and Communications Special Assistant to the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Yusuf Tuga, disclosed that the minister has been in contact with the Super Eagles. He said that the Libyan authorities were yet to authorize the Nigerian mission in Libya to travel to Beida city, where the Super Eagles are located. However, the Community Development Association instructed the head of the Nigerian community in Benghazi, Mr. Maurice Eromosele, who arrived there this morning with supplies and internet access. The minister continues to monitor the unfortunate event through the CDA and awaits a report for further action. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we continue to monitor this story closely.